This is filter in a bottle. And what this does is it warms up the complexion to look like you're not only rested and glowing, but that you've had 2 weeks off of normal everyday life and you look fresh and healthy. By adding warmth to our skin, we will normally find that we don't actually need to wear as much foundation or concealer, because this will have lifted our natural skin tone to look the best it can. If, like me, you have dark circles under your eyes, by making this skin here just a little bit more warmer, it means that I don't need to wear as much concealer to make myself look rested.